Three males walked into a pawn shop. One of the suspects stood at the door as a lookout while the other two suspects walked directly over to the display cases. The suspect carrying a sledgehammer began to break the glass. At some point a customer from the place is seen leaving calmly while the lookout tells her to hurry up. The suspects appeared to be wearing heavy-duty gloves in order not to get cut while removing the glass from the cases. Both suspects placed the jewelry and many other valuables in the bags. Then fled the store in a black Mercury Marquis.